In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for a Trust Wallet account. By following these instructions, you will be able to create your wallet and start managing your cryptocurrencies securely. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your device. In the address bar, type in the Trust Wallet website URL and press the Enter key. Once the page loads, you will see a message that welcomes you and mentions joining over 200 million users in securing their financial future. Next, locate the text that states, "I have read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy policy." This is typically presented as a checkbox or a clickable link. Click on this option to acknowledge that you accept the terms. After clicking, you may notice a change in the interface indicating your acceptance. After that, look for the button labeled Create New Wallet. This option is usually prominently displayed on the screen. Click on this button to initiate the wallet creation process. The interface will then prompt you to select an option for setting up your wallet. Once this appears, you will be presented with different options to choose from. Make your selection according to your preference. After choosing an option, proceed by clicking on the button that says Create a Password. This will enable you to set a secure password for your wallet. Type in a strong password in the designated field. It is important to create a password that is both secure and memorable. After entering your password, you will be prompted to confirm it. Type in your password again in the Confirm Password field to ensure accuracy. Once you have confirmed your password, look for the Continue button, which will be available on the screen. Click on this button to advance to the next step. At this point, the system may take a moment to process your information, so be patient. You've now completed the sign-up process for your Trust Wallet account. It is advisable to keep your recovery phrase and passwords secure, as these will be essential for accessing your wallet in the future. Make sure to store them in a safe place. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.